A is for abnormal lack of sobriety that breeds in little pretend societies where smiles are actually sports and gossip and distrust is inborn. A is for antisocial, a newfound notion that swims in our bloodstreams and, unbeknown to us, destroys us in mid-motion. A is for arrogant and adultery, for aggression, aggravation, for assassination and all the accusations that we harbor against one another for no good reason. A is for arguable arson and aimless anger, swooshing like arrows through our atmosphere, makes me want to run and escape from here. A is for the alarming abuse, awkward animosity, and appalling apathy that we sip on in cafes and shebeens, and the most rabid breed are our teens. Yes, you best believe. A is for apartheid and all the atrocities that have settled in our stomach linings and are unable to regurgitate. A is for abandonment and for absent fathers who lack love because they too were never loved. A is for avenge and ambush because some people don't play fair and they accept that they too must lose, else how will we ever appreciate the joy of winning? A is for absolute alienation that seeps through my joints and dislocates me from everything that my mind cannot comprehend. My mind cannot feel, but what my soul already knows. A is for those awful arguments we have with the people we love because our frustrations are misdirected. And A is for amateurs who can't admit they don't know what they're doing and they stay losing. A is for the antagonism that pulls at my locked hair because we are not as free as we could or should be. A is for all the afterthoughts on your drive home, counting out all the knowledge that you bought. And A is for abnegation, the choke, African political climate service. And I trust you will learn a new word tonight should the swamp serve no other purpose. A is for the antichrist who needs to be prized and atrocities we commit for the love of money, the greed. But no. A is for you, my Africa, because A is for the life and the activism in my Africa, for abundance and knowledge and wisdom in my Africa, for the adventures that allow me to sit on their wings and ride through my Africa. A is for absolute appreciation, attraction and affection. A is for ample, admirable achievement and advice from the elders. A is for a long time ago. The stories around fireplaces told that bring our imaginations and our hearts which they stole. A is for always allowing its children to be raised on its land, astonishing and unceasingly applauding the durable strength of my Africa. Yes, A is for you, my Africa, for ancestral antecedents, for artisan and artistic, for accomplishment and affluence, for alliance strong as iron chains, and ambitions that remove all our hidden pains. A is for adamant accuracy and aspiring ability, for acclamation as we cruise from the past to the current ages. A is for appreciation and accumulation of poetry talent on these stages. A is for the archangels that watch over us and fight on our behalf. For anecdotes that we share that evoke me, you, him, or her to laugh. A is for the anticipation of a better tomorrow. A is for the accolade of dreams that never die, dreams that never perish, at most covered in a layer of dust, only to resurface and arise again because this is this the beginning or the end of Africa, or the end of the beginning for my Africa? A is for again Africa, again. If at first you don't succeed, you dust yourself off and try again. Yes, A is for you, my Africa, and I drum this verbal beat that forms and clusters in my heart. I push and feed it through my esophagus and make my voice box scintillate, because every vowel is so charged. And write these words of my tongue into your heart and brain to create the beat that is you, my Africa. Because A is for my Africa. A is for my Africa. Yes, A is for my Africa. My Africa, yeah.